Well, good morning. Wolf here in Evans Notch this morning. Sorry I didn't show you any video of me heading out here, but I actually got out kind of late, so figured I'd set up here. This is just a one-night stay. I got here about 5:30, so I really haven't done much of anything here anyway. So I didn't shoot any video yesterday because it was just getting too dark too quickly. And of course today it's raining, so that's actually pretty typical for Evans Notch. It tends to get kind of its own weather system here. So if there's a chance of rain out there, it's definitely going to be raining here in the Notch. I've got the typical weather station set up going. Right now it's on the tripod because I'm still using the van and I don't have a system to mount it on the roof yet. Little project I started last night. Mounting the solar panel on the roof. Got those crossbars a few days ago. I was hoping to have them installed before I left, but didn't have a chance to, and my driveway at home is too small anyway. So, started it last night, but it was after dark, about 9 o'clock, and the metal stuff was making quite a bit of noise, so I decided to not tighten all the bolts down just yet, so I gotta do that before I take off. Got my dishwashing station over here all set up and kind of getting soggy, but oh well. I'll make a quick breakfast this morning and then we'll use that to clean the dishes up before we take off. Got a screen over the window so I can have that in and not have bugs coming in, though that needs some work in the design. And this is what we're working with inside so far. Yes, I made my coffee in here this morning. It was warm and dry. Yes, I got tools out here getting ready to work on that solar panel. Yeah, the bed was comfortable. I've already made a big mess in just only one night. That's normal for me though. So far it's working out pretty well. It'll certainly get a lot better when I do the full build out. But for now, it's doing alright. And that's it. That's my setup here today. Like I said, we're just passing through. Gotta get those bolts tightened down there so I can make the van safe to drive, because right now it's not safe to drive there because everything's loose. The solar panel will just blow right off the back of the truck while I'm driving. That wouldn't be good. So that's what we'll be working on here. That's today's project, and then we're going to head up north a little bit. We're going to head up to Route 2. We're going to pull over at that little wayside where I have some cell service, and we're going to decide where to go next, because we're going to look at the weather forecast for a few different possible places that I can head off to, and we're going to decide where we're going. I want to get out of the rain if possible. So that's my plan. So let's start with some breakfast and some bolt tightening though. And just keeping breakfast simple today. Got some bacon, got some sausage. Yes, I got them intertwined here at the moment there because that's where the heat source is. I think it's cooking a little bit fast. The bacon's just about to come off. Sausages are going to need a little bit more time though. We got bacon, we got sausage, then we're going to throw an egg on there. And that's it. Simple breakfast today. Nothing fancy. And we get everything cleaned up. All the bolts tightened down on the solar panel system there. So I gotta do something about the poles there. They're gonna rattle inside of each other. I'm supposed to put a bolt in it, but I'm not sure if I'm quite equipped for drilling a hole in the bar here in the middle of the campground. So I'm gonna have to come up with some other solution. But it's up. And it should be secure enough to move. It's just gonna make a lot of noise. Okay, it's about 10:35 in the morning. Site is all cleared up, packed up. Trash has been dumped. Water tank has been refilled. I've rerouted the wires a bit here for the solar panel. We'll see how it does on this trip. We'll obviously have to make some improvements to it as we go along. Stand by. There we go. And everything's all cleared up. Old Sand Jack is ready to ride again. with all this rain here, I really can't clean up properly, so I just didn't bother. But I'm all set to take off. So my plan is I'm going to head up north, go up through, right through Evans Notch. We'll probably stop and take a quick peek over there. And then we're going to head back all the way up to Route 2. And we're going to head over to that little wayside area there, a little picnic area. We're going to stop there, and hopefully we'll have decent cell service there and be able to check the forecast for various different areas and decide where we're going to go. And should be interesting, because I have no idea where I'm going to head at the moment. So let's see what the weather's like. Get caught up on all my messages for work, things like that, emails, that sort of stuff there, and we'll go from there. So we'll talk to you in a bit. Yeah, I'm up at the old picnic area. I wish they'd clear this out and put picnic tables back again. I miss coming up here. Jack and I are almost up to the top. It doesn't look like we're going to be seeing much of anything today, so we'll get up there in a moment and check. But looks pretty quiet here. Certainly no drone flying going on today either. There's a good layer of dense fog right down inside the notch. A big cloud just got stuck in there. It's probably all the rain that I was getting down at the campsite. It's already warmer and not quite as wet up here, so sure there's a lot of fog though. Got cell phone service up here. That's new. Alright, so I stopped at a rest area here up in Gilead, Maine. It's just on the other side of Evans Notch on Route 2. So, I've got good cell phone service here, so I pulled up the AccuWeather and checked all the forecasts for all the various towns around the area, and it looks like Rangeley, Maine is the pick. Haven't been up to Rangeley, Maine in several years, so it should be fun. And gives me a new campground to check out, so I'll just go up there for 2 nights. So it's still probably going to rain, but it's the least chance of rain over there in all the places within an easy drive. It's only about 70 miles from here, so it's not going to take me all day to get there. So hopefully I'll be able to find a site there, and we'll be all set. So that's the plan right now. So I'm going to get changed into some warmer weather clothes, because I'm dressed a little warm here for this area here, and we're going to head up north. So we'll catch you on the road. So I'm here at Rangeley Lake State Park, just about to have dinner. So I got here about around 2:30 or so. Made a few stops along the way too, and saw some scenery there. Probably stop at those places on the way back out again too. Anyway, but we got some beautiful fall colors and stuff. Let me show you what we got here on the site. The fire pit isn't much to speak of, but got plenty of wood. Got my dinner ready to eat here. I just made myself some fried chicken tonight. I've shown that in videos before, so I didn't make a video of it. And Wolf Van Jack is all set up over here. Solar panel did well. No problems there. That's actually, I think I kind of like the looks of the van with that on the back of it. Just needs more solar panels. The antenna mast needs some work. It's kind of crooked. Looks like it's about to fall on top of the van. So we need to do some work on that, but that's coming. Overall, not bad. Alright, time for some dinner. And it's now about 20 minutes to sunset here, so before I settle in and start the water heater up and wash dishes and stuff, I'm going to take a quick walk down and actually see Rangeley Lake. I haven't actually been down there to see it yet since I got here. So let's go for a little hike. Don't worry, I will be doing a full tour video of the campground before we're done. And get a good look at what this place looks like. These stairs have seen better days. And what happened here? Warning, stairs out of order. You think? This is Rangeley Lake. Just at sunset. Not the right clouds for sunset photography, I'm afraid, though. Let's see what the weather's like. See what. Check up on. Get caught up on all my messages.